In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Redbubble account. Whether you're a seasoned artist on Redbubble or new to the platform, ensuring that your profile stands out is crucial. By personalizing your account, you make a memorable impression on potential buyers and fellow artists. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Redbubble homepage. It's a space bustling with creativity, showcasing incredible products designed by independent artists. Once there, look for the login button. This is your gateway to accessing and editing your account details. Clicking on this button should redirect you to the login page. At the login page, you're prompted to enter your credentials. Start by typing in your email address. It's important that you use the email linked to your Redbubble account to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure you're entering it exactly as it was created. With your credentials correctly entered, proceed to click on Login. This action signs you into your account, bringing you one step closer to making those edits you're eager to start on. Once logged in, head back to the Redbubble homepage. It's from this familiar spot that you'll initiate the personalization of your profile. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu filled with options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This choice will direct you to your account settings page where the magic of customization begins. Here you're met with various editing options for your profile. Let's start with your avatar. This small but mighty image is often the first thing people notice. Click on the designated area to edit your avatar. Choose an image that best represents you or your brand. It should be clear, engaging, and preferably unique to stand out in the community. Next, you're moving on to editing your cover image. This is another significant aspect of your profile. Your cover image spans the top of your profile page, and much like your avatar, serves as a visual introduction to your visitors. Select an image that complements your avatar and encapsulates the essence of your artistry. After setting up your visual identifiers, it's time to delve into the written content of your profile. Click on Profile to commence this editing phase. You'll be able to update personal information starting with your first name. Whether you prefer a pseudonym or your real name, ensure it aligns with how you wish to be recognized in the creative community. Following your first name, edit your last name in the same manner. It adds to your professional identity on Redbubble, contributing to how buyers and other artists perceive your brand. A crucial part of your profile is the bio section. This is where you tell your story. You have the freedom to express who you are, what you do, and why you do it. The bio section is an excellent opportunity to connect with your audience on a deeper level, share your inspirations, aspirations, and even a bit about your creative process. Remember, authenticity resonates with people. After painstakingly choosing the right words and perfecting your profile visuals, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located towards the bottom of the page. By clicking this, you apply all the edits you've made to your profile. It's as simple as that. Editing your Redbubble account is integral to showcasing your unique identity and artworks on the platform. By personalizing your profile with attention to detail, you create a more engaging and memorable experience for those who visit. A polished profile not only draws attention, but also builds trust and fosters connections within the Redbubble community. So, take the time to ensure your profile accurately reflects you and your creative endeavors. Now, with your updated profile set, you're all set to captivate your audience on Redbubble. Whether you're looking to sell more of your designs or simply aiming to share your creativity with a broader audience, these steps ensure your Redbubble account stands out in the best way possible. Remember, in a sea of creativity, your profile can be the beacon that draws people in. Happy creating, and here's to making your Redbubble account truly your own.